We like to look at it as the two extremes, extreme luxury and extreme adventure. By adventure, what we mean is that the car is extremely capable off-road. We'd like to say the most capable off-road vehicle you can purchase.
Land Rover is best known for its Range Rover series. The Range Rover Sport was redesigned for 2014.
The big change that they made to the vehicle is they went to all aluminum architecture. With that, we were able to shave the weight down about 800 pounds.
And there is a lot that sets it apart from its bigger brother.
The key with the Range Rover Sport, it's going to be a little sportier. It's going to have a little lower roof line. You're going to sit into the vehicle more of like a cockpit. You're going to feel the road a little bit more. Very luxurious, but it's also going to be a lot of fun at the same time.
The Sport features dynamic programs that allow you to manually choose your gear, and special handling modes for the terrain you're driving over.
And we're also going to push the threshold on technology, where safety features from blind spot monitoring to cameras that will monitor at 360 all the way around you. I mean, there's a list of things that will go into our new Range Rover Sport that are a lot of fun, but also have a lot of practical uses too.
And the full-size Range Rover is for the driver who is looking for a more comfortable ride.
This one is going to be more that cabin-like environment. You're sitting on top of the vehicle. In our Range Rover, it's our pinnacle of luxury. So you're going to have a few more luxury features in there, from the massage seats to just the way the car drives. This one's going to give a softer, absorb the vibrations from the road a little bit more.
And setting the transmission on the Range Rover is as easy as turning a knob.
On the Range Rover, it's a rotary system. So when you turn the car on, you have a little dial that retracts up and you rotate to your different reverse drive, sport mode, whatever you might be in.
But the full-size and Range Rover Sport also have a lot in common.
Both vehicles are going to be equipped with either our 6-cylinder supercharged or, for the enthusiasts, the V8 supercharged. Both of them are going to have our fantastic 4x4 systems in there. You can do the center or the rear locking differentials. So capability-wise, they're going to be very similar. The big thing is, are you just looking for more of that, am I riding on clouds, or do I want to feel the road to give me that sportier feel?
Both also have independent air suspension systems.
Makes it easier if you're taking some roof racks or ski racks off the top, or we find a situation where we need that additional clearance. A roadway would wash away, and we can raise it additional 4 inches from its lowest point, so we can wade through 3 feet of water in either one of these vehicles.
Land Rover also has a crossover vehicle, the Range Rover Evoque.
It's going to be lighter weight, so we're going to be able to put a smaller engine in there, still turbocharged, so delivering power and still a lot of fun to drive, but even pushing those fuel efficiencies up. You can get almost 30 miles to the gallon on the highway on this one. So it's a great vehicle to get into if you don't necessarily need the space that the Sport and the Range Rover will give you. And it's a great vehicle if you want to put a lot of miles on there and if you're really conscious about fuel economy.
The full lineup of Range Rover vehicles are made for our Colorado lifestyle.
So you're going to have one of the best 4x4 systems in the market. So no matter where you take it throughout the states, you know that your Range Rover is going to take you there and enjoy everything that our beautiful state has to offer.
You can find Land Rovers at the Denver Auto Show. And Land Rover Denver's new showroom on South Broadway in Littleton is ready when you're set to buy.
Atmosphere is a welcoming one. We're really redefining what luxury means. It's not how much you spend, it's how we treat you. So everyone's going to be greeted warmly, everyone's going to have all their questions answered, and it's on us to make sure we have a wide range of products, both new and used, that can meet anyone's budget.
Land Rover Denver paid for this segment.